Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this tutorial I will be teaching you guys how to get that perfect, nice, sharp, flawless winged liner. I think winged liners are an absolute necessity, and 99% of all the eye makeups that I personally will be doing will have winged liners. Also, because there is a reason to why people say when in doubt wing it out. It's because whenever you screw up your eyeshadow, you can always make it look really kick-ass by only applying that winged liner and you're sorted. Trust me, I've done it. Because whenever you're in a hurry and you've screwed up your eyeshadow and you do not have the time to go through it all over again, so you just make that nice thick bold wing liner and you're sorted. Because obviously when you make your liner that bold, you cannot really see what's going on behind that line. Now I'm sure a lot of you girls, your hands tremble when you're doing that wing liner, but trust me, I have tips which I will be telling you in this video, how you can make your liner look absolutely perfect and flawless even if you've made a mistake. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight to the video. So on the right eye, I will be using this pen liner from Lakme Absolute. It is the Lakme Absolute Precision Liquid Liner. You want to hold the pen parallel to your face, not poking towards the eye. So I begin from the inner corner of my eyes and I go all the way towards the middle of my eye. So you want to make sure that your liner, your wing goes up top in such a way that it kind of meets your brow, but not exactly. Next, I'm going back in and making a straight, smooth line. Make sure all the crevice, all the bumps that you've made in the process have been covered. So for my left eye, I'm using this LA Girl gel liner, and I'm using the same brush it came with. Since I do not use gel liners very much, this is like my second or third time I'm using a gel liner. Let's see how it turns out. So again, I start from the inner corners of my eyes. So again, I'm making this line from the outer corner of my eyes going towards my brow, and I'm keeping a very light hand at it, but as you can see, it's turning out really thick. This is how my gel liner looks on the left eye, and this is how it looks on the right eye. The right eye is where I use the pen liner. And as you can see, it has turned out quite thicker than this one. So to correct mistakes like this, where you can see the wing is not as sharp as you want it to be, so this is where you use the concealer and an angled brush like this. And I'm just taking a tiny amount of concealer on my hands. Just one stroke, I was able to clean off that mess, and my liner looks really sharp and pointy, just the way I want it to be. So another tip is an eye makeup remover. Use a Q-tip. I will just use one drop of that eye makeup remover, put it on to that Q-tip, and if you want to take off any excess, you can just take it off using one single small stroke. As you can see, it has also taken off some of my foundation. This is how my right eye looks after I put on my fake lashes. As you can see, the eyeliner is really sharp. The wing is perfect now that I've cleaned out the excess gel. So that's it with the wing liners today. I know some of you guys would have preferred me using tape to get that perfect wing, but I don't think it's a very viable option in the morning when you're getting ready and you do not have enough time. So I think you need to get a hang of it and just keep practicing it. So when you go a little bit wrong with your wing, you can always go back and use that Q-tip and just straighten it out and get that nice, flawless looking sharp wing. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave, because I post videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So hit on that notification bell so that you do not miss out on any of my videos. Also comment below and let me know what kind of videos you want me to make, and I will be more than happy to make it for you guys. And that's it for now. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!